What brand do you prefer out of all of them? I think everybody who watches this channel knows the answer to that. It's KTM. But first of all, I love all the brands. I want all the brands involved. We need them all. We need as many brands as possible. They all have their perks and their super cool factors. So what you really need to know is why I love and appreciate KTM so much. And this is coming from a guy, you can ask anybody that knows me personally. Ask him about me pre 2017 or 18. I was a KTM hater. The only KTMs I knew and knew anything about were like, you know, 05s, 06s, 10s, 11s. Like, they just weren't near as good. They were behind the Japanese curve a little bit back then, and now they're not. But even if they were, the reason I love KTM, there's a couple different ones, but KTM is giving us what we ask for. They're giving us, and what are we asking for? We're asking for options. We want different size bikes. We want 2-strokes. We want 4-strokes. We want 300s and 350s. And KTM gives you a huge model lineup of whatever you want. And then what else? We want R&D into 2-strokes. There's no other, well, none of the Japanese manufacturers anywhere are putting any R&D into 2-strokes. So I just feel better at night about putting my money towards a company that's not only giving us options, tons of options, and putting R&D into 2-strokes that we love, making electric bikes that I love. They're just doing it all. And this is coming from a guy that rode Cowie for like 15 years, maybe 20 years. And all these years, you know, I loved my Cowies, but KX250F, KX450F. That was it. And I was like, come on, guys. Give us something else. Like I said, I love them all.